What if I told you your car's engine could last over 500,000 miles? And all it takes is managing 10 often ignored fluids. Most drivers never check more than 2, yet one missing drop could lead to a $4,000 repair. The secret? Mechanics know these fluids are the quiet guardians of your engine, transmission, cooling, and braking systems. And here's the kicker. Some of these you've probably never checked, ever. Stick around, because fluid number 6 is the most misunderstood, and skipping it could mean sudden engine death. Ready? Let's dive into the top 10 fluids that keep your car running forever. 1. Engine oil, the lifeline of longevity. We all know engine oil is important, but for long-term survival, it's everything. It lubricates the engine's moving parts, reduces friction, and carries away heat and contaminants. But here's the truth nobody talks about. Oil loses its effectiveness long before it looks black or dirty. Modern engines, especially turbocharged ones, rely on oil not just for lubrication, but for cooling critical internal components. The American Petroleum Institute, API, even highlights that breakdown of oil's additive package can begin after 3,000 miles under high load conditions. Want to keep your engine humming past 300,000 miles? Use high-quality, full synthetic oil. Stick to a 5,000-mile interval, and never forget the oil filter, because dirty oil is just as damaging as no oil. 2. Transmission fluid, the shifting savior. Automatic transmission fluid, ATF, is the silent warrior. It doesn't just lubricate, it manages hydraulic pressure, transfers torque, and cools internal gears. Yet most drivers ignore it until their transmission slips. Here's what veteran mechanics know. By the time your fluid turns brown or smells burnt, internal damage has already started. Transmission fluid should be pinkish or cherry red, and if it's anything else, change it now. According to transmission rebuild specialists, flushing every 30,000 to 60,000 miles can double transmission life. And for CVTs or dual clutch systems, always use OEM-approved fluid. Mixing brands or using universal fluid can cause irreparable wear. Skip this, and you're flirting with a $3,000 transmission rebuild. 3. Coolant antifreeze, the hidden heat hero. Think coolant just keeps your engine from overheating in summer or freezing in winter. Think again. Coolant also prevents internal corrosion, lubricates your water pump, and keeps the entire cooling system balanced. Over time, coolant breaks down and becomes acidic. That acidity eats away at your radiator, thermostat, and even your head gasket. Yikes! Every 3 to 5 years or 50,000 miles is the standard flush interval. But check your owner's manual and never mix types. Green, IAT, orange, OAT, and hybrid coolants don't play well together. Use distilled water when topping off to prevent mineral buildup. Want to avoid a blown head gasket and a $2,500 repair? Maintain your coolant like your car depends on it, because it does. 4. Brake fluid, the overlooked safety net. Brake fluid is a silent protector of one of your car's most critical safety systems. It's hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture, and once water content rises, braking performance drops. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, warns that moisture can lead to brake fade, corrosion in brake lines, and even complete failure in emergency braking. Flush your brake fluid every 2 years, or 30,000 miles. Look for a golden or amber color. If it's dark brown or black, it's overdue. And here's something else. Air bubbles in old fluid reduce pressure in ABS systems, increasing stopping distances by up to 25%. That could be the difference between stopping at a crosswalk or running through it. 5. Power steering fluid, the forgotten force multiplier. Ever had a power steering pump whine like a banshee? That's what happens when fluid is low, dirty, or too old. Power steering fluid ensures smooth, responsive steering and protects internal seals, especially in hydraulic systems. Electric power steering is taking over, but millions of vehicles still rely on this fluid. Change it every 50,000 miles or when you notice stiffness, noise, or leaks. Don't use ATF unless your manual says so. Use the exact spec recommended by your car maker. Neglect this fluid, and you could be shelling out $500 to $1,200 for a new pump. Or worse, lose steering control at high speed. 6. Differential fluid, the forgotten gear saver. Most drivers don't even know this fluid exists, let alone how critical it is. Your differential allows your wheels to turn at different speeds during cornering. The fluid inside lubricates heavy-duty gears under extreme pressure. Neglect it, and the gears grind themselves into metal dust. For rear-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, and four-wheel drive vehicles, this fluid should be changed every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. Check your manual. It's often buried deep in the fine print. Differential fluid is thick like honey, but that's what keeps your drivetrain alive. Ignore it, and you could face a seized diff or bearing failure costing over $1,500 to fix. It's one of those fluids that if you never think about, you'll eventually pay to remember. 7. Transfer case fluid. Four-wheel drive's best friend. If you drive a four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive vehicle, your transfer case fluid is crucial. It lubricates internal gears and controls how torque is split between axles. Just like differentials, it gets overlooked until the gears inside are shredded. Fluid should be changed every 30,000 miles for most systems. Use only the manufacturer-specified fluid. No substitutions. If you notice strange noises while turning or difficulty engaging four-wheel drive, chances are your transfer case fluid is crying for help. And if it fails, you're looking at a $2,000 to $3,000 repair bill. Take care of your transfer case, and your four-wheel drive system will take care of you when the road gets rough. 8. Windshield, washer, fluid, more than just visibility. You're probably thinking, washer fluid, really? But hear this, a grimy windshield reduces visibility faster than you think, and visibility is safety. But here's the kicker, cheap washer fluids can freeze, clog your lines, or leave greasy films behind. That film creates glare and actually worsens visibility at night. Use a quality fluid with antifreeze properties and never dilute with tap water. It introduces minerals that gunk up the nozzles. Plus, a properly working washer system prevents wiper damage, extending the life of your blades and saving you $30 every few months. It's the cheapest safety fluid you can buy, and one of the most ignored. 9. AC refrigerant, cool cabin, happy car. While not a traditional maintenance fluid, refrigerant is essential for cabin comfort and component health. Low refrigerant doesn't just make your car warmer, it forces your compressor to overwork, leading to early failure. A compressor replacement? Try $700 to $1,200. And worse, running low can let air and moisture in, corroding the entire system from the inside out. If your AC doesn't feel cold, don't just top it off. Get it checked for leaks. Many modern cars use R1234YF, not the older R134A, and they're not interchangeable. This is one fluid you want a pro to service, because mishandling it could break both your AC and EPA rules. 10. Fuel system cleaner, the preventive elixir. Here's one most mechanics won't push, but real pros use regularly, fuel system cleaner. Over time, carbon builds up on injectors, valves, and combustion chambers, especially with today's direct injection engines. This causes poor mileage, knocking misfires, and sluggish acceleration. Top-tier fuel brands add detergents, but using a high-quality cleaner every 3,000 to 5,000 miles keeps your fuel system pristine. Look for products with polyethyramine, PEA, the most effective cleaning agent, endorsed by industry insiders and automakers like GM. This $10 bottle can restore lost power, smooth idle, and extend the life of fuel injectors, which cost hundreds to replace. A clean fuel system equals a strong, long-living engine. Don't wait for symptoms. Prevent them. Final takeaway, the long life formula. There's a reason some cars die at 100,000 miles while others sail past 300,000. The difference? Attention to the right fluids. Here's the shocking truth most drivers don't hear. You don't need a mechanic every month. You need a system. Set reminders. Read your manual. Use the right spec fluids. Check them monthly, top off responsibly, and flush them on schedule. Fluid maintenance is cheap insurance against $10,000 disasters. These aren't optional. They're essential. So ask yourself, are you going to ignore these fluids and roll the dice, or start treating your car like it deserves to live forever? Now tell us in the comments, which of these fluids have you been skipping? Let's see who's been lucky and who's about to make a smart change. And if you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with that friend who still thinks oil changes are optional. Because together, we can save engines and wallets, one fluid at a time.